everyone, it's my great pleasure to be here today and I would like to talk about calamity control or natural disaster reduction. A natural disaster is an adverse event resulting from the processes of earth, example tornado, earthquake, volcanic eruption, flood and other geological processes. A natural disaster can cause loss of life and damage property. As we have heard about the Kerala floods, how adversely it affected the lives of people living there. The International Day for Disaster Reduction was started in 1989 by the United Nations General Assembly to promote global culture for risk awareness and disaster reduction. Held every 13th October, this day celebrates how people and community around the world are reducing their exposure to disasters and increasing awareness about the importance of reining in the risks that they face. A disaster management team, in association with the local authorities, conduct rehabilitation processes. Construction of homes, schools, infrastructure are some of the examples of rehabilitation processes. It is very necessary that the civilians cooperate with the disaster management team and do not get panicked and act wisely in any event of disasters. The Government of India even have a separate fund known as Contingency Fund which they have used to manage disasters in India. There are a group of people who believe that God or nature is using these measures to discipline humanity, while the other group calls mankind responsible for the series of natural disasters. So, is mankind really responsible for the series of natural disasters? After hearing this question, some may agree to it and some may not, as deforestation, global warming, both are caused by humans, so you may agree to it. But the term natural disaster itself states that all the events that occur are due to natural phenomena and humanity cannot be blamed for it. So, there is a need to change the perception of life. It cannot be decided who is responsible for the series of natural disasters, but we can control the damage caused by it. It is necessary to remember that in ancient times, life was seen as an integral part of the natural scheme, wherein humans were given the opportunity to work for the entire universe without disturbing or playing with it. So, through this platform, I would like to appeal to everyone to be cautious and help each other in any event of disasters. Thank you.